Hello students, our next chapter is patterns. The first thing is, what is a pattern? Pattern is a repeated decorative design. Any design, any number that is repeated again and again, that thing is called pattern. You can see these all are the patterns. In the first line, see, first one is a circle, second one is other design, again circle, again other design, again circle. Means these both the things are repeated again and again. So we can say this is a pattern. Again in the next line, these two things are repeated again and again, and this is also a pattern. Next thing again repeated. Next, first one is this face, second one is smiling face, again smiling, this one smiling. Means these faces are repeated again and again, and this thing is we call that this is a pattern. And in numbers, first number is 2, second is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. The number this is repeated means the difference between these two numbers is repeated. The difference between 2 and 4 is 2. 1 means after 2 there is a 3, and after 4 means difference of two numbers. Again this difference is repeated again and again, means 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10 plus 2 12 and plus 2 14. The number is the difference between these numbers is repeated again and again, and this is also called a pattern. Pattern is in increasing order and pattern is in decreasing order also. See, in the next pattern there is a one leaf, then leaf is repeated but the number of leaves is 2. Again the leaf is repeated but the number of leaf is 3. Again the number is leaf is repeated but the number of leaves is 4. Means this is a pattern and this is it is in increasing order. These leaves are in increasing order and also we call this is a pattern. In the next thing there are 5 stars, and next 4, next 3, next 2, next 1. Means these are in decreasing order, but these are in pattern because these all are stars, but in a decreasing order. The first is 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. In this way, there are many examples in your book that how the numbers are repeated, things are repeated. See, one example is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. This is also repeated 5. Difference of 5 plus 5, 10. Again plus 5, 10. Means the difference is repeated. Again plus 5, 20. Again plus 5, 25. Plus 5, 30. And plus 5, 35. This is called a pattern, when the things are repeated again and again. See one more example. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66. There is a difference of 10 numbers. First one is 11, next 22, 33, 44, 55, 66. The difference between these numbers is same and repeated. The difference is repeated, so this is a pattern. So students, solve your exercise on your book as well as on your notebook. Both the exercise. Your homework is solve the exercises on your notebook and also write tables 2 to 8 on your notebook and learn. Thank you.